Hi everyone, this is a Khan Academy tutorial. This is polynomial special products difference of squares. I have another difference of squares multiplying difference of squares video that you guys can watch. This is a little bit more advanced than the previous video. So I'm going to break this down just a little bit more. One thing you got to recognize here is this is difference of squares. So we should recognize that this is the difference of squares format. It's the same thing written twice. Let me actually undo that. We have this thing, this first term, the same. This second term, the same. The only difference is one is plus and one is minus. So what does that mean? It means we're going to take our first term and we're going to square it, and we're going to subtract our second term squared, and that is going to be the multiplication of it. Now, you could FOIL this whole thing out. You could go first times first, outside, inside, last, okay, distribute, however you want to call it. That is a way to do it, combine like terms, but you're always going to be eliminating the middle terms. So make sure you guys are clear on that. The other thing, what else I got to say? Oh, yeah, this is just a quicker way to do it. So let's go ahead and show that we're going to do 8n squared minus, what's this one? 3n to the 7th squared. So good exponent practice here. We're going to get 64n to the 4th. Multiply exponents when you do power to a power. Then we get minus 9. 3 squared, and then n to the 14th. 7 times 2 because power to a power. So 64 n to the 4th minus 9 to something. I forgot. 64 n to the, was it 4th? Yeah. N to the 4th power. Got to go back down. What happened? N to the, maybe I got to do n to the 4th. There we go. Back down. Minus, was it 9 n to the 14th, right? Yeah. Okay, let's check it. I want to be bold here. There we go. Be bold. Okay, same thing here. We see it's the same thing written twice. Okay, just to highlight this for you. It's the same thing written twice. First term's the same. Second term's the same. The only difference is that minus and then that is plus. Okay. I don't know why I chose it all green, but so essentially what we're going to do, we follow the same format. We're going to do the first term squared, which is 25. That one's easy. Minus, we're going to do 2 x to the 4th squared. So we're going to square the 2, 4. We're going to square the x to the 4th. That's going to be x to the, you said it, 8th. Great job. And minus in between. Next question. We're rolling here. Okay, same thing written twice. Difference of squares. That's what this is all about. Square the 2, 4. Square the x to the 4th, and we get x to the 8th. Bring it back down. Minus. Difference of squares. 9, 3 squared, and then we get x to the 6th. Check it. All right, last one. That's going to be 100%. We're going to get 16 minus 9c to the 10th. And that's it. That's all she wrote, folks. 100%. Hope you enjoyed this video. Real short, but very helpful for doing problems a little bit quicker. If you like this video, make sure to check out some more. Learn something. Make a comment if you want me to make a video on a certain topic. And look forward to seeing you next time on West Explains Best.